Lukso is a blockchain-based project that aims to create a digital ecosystem for the fashion and lifestyle industries. It has been gaining a lot of attention lately due to its innovative approach and unique features. However, there are some mystery facts surrounding the project that have raised eyebrows in the crypto communities. In this video, we'll be delving into these mystery facts and exploring what they could mean for the future of Lukso. Hey guys, hello and welcome back to another amazing video. If you want to see more enthralling content like this, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Number 6. Luksos Founder's Silence. Fabian Vogelsteller, the founder of Lukso, is a well-known figure in the blockchain world. He co-authored the Ethereum ERC20 token standard and has been involved in various blockchain projects. However, despite the hype surrounding Lukso, Vogelsteller has remained mostly silent about the project. This silence has led to speculation among some in the blockchain community. Some believe that Vogelsteller may be intentionally keeping the project under the radar to avoid unwanted attention from regulators or competitors. Others speculate that there may be internal conflicts within the Lukso team that are causing delays or issues with the project's development. Number 5. Lukso's mysterious white paper. One of the key documents associated with any blockchain project is the white paper, which outlines the project's goals, technology, and roadmap. However, Lukso's white paper has raised some eyebrows in the blockchain community. Some experts have criticized the white paper for being too vague and lacking in detail, especially when it comes to Lukso's technology. While the white paper mentions several technical innovations, it does not provide much information on how these innovations will be implemented or what their practical applications will be. This lack of clarity has led to questions about the viability of Lukso's technology and whether it will be able to deliver on its promises. Number 4. The origin of Luksos Funding. Another mystery surrounding Lukso is the origin of its funding. While the project has received support from venture capital firms such as Galaxy Digital, it is unclear where the bulk of its funding has come from. Some speculate that Lukso may have received funding from individuals or entities with ties to the fashion and lifestyle industries. This could indicate that there are influential players behind the project who are seeking to disrupt the traditional fashion industry. Others have suggested that Lukso may have received funding from sources outside of the crypto space. This could indicate that the project is being supported by individuals or entities who are looking to diversify their investment portfolios and see potential in the fashion and lifestyle industries. Number 3. Lukso's mysterious founder. Fabian Vogelsteller is a well-known figure in the crypto space and is credited with co-authoring the Ethereum ERC20 token standard. Very little is known about him personally. Vogelsteller has remained relatively private and has not given many interviews or made public appearances. Some have speculated that this is because he's working on other projects in addition to Lukso. Others have suggested that Vogelsteller may be intentionally keeping a low profile to avoid drawing too much attention to himself and the project. This could be a strategic move, as the fashion and lifestyle industries are notoriously competitive and secretive. Number 2. Lukso's strange timeline. While the project was announced in 2018, it did not launch its mainnet until late 2020. This delay has raised questions about why the project took so long to get off the ground. Some have suggested that the delay was due to technical challenges and the complexity of developing a blockchain platform specifically for the fashion and lifestyle industries. Others have speculated that the delay was intentional, as Lukso may have been waiting for the right time to launch and gain momentum. Number 1. Lukso's unusual partnerships. Despite the mystery surrounding Lukso's development, the project has already secured partnerships with several high-profile fashion brands and designers. These include the fashion brand Tom Ford and the designer Mago Dovzhenko. For example, Lukso has partnered with the city of Berlin to create a digital identity for the city's fashion industry. This partnership is unusual, as it involves a blockchain project working with a city government, which is not a common occurrence. Others have pointed out that some of Lukso's partnerships may be more symbolic than practical. For example, the project has partnered with the Ethereum Enterprise Alliance, which is a consortium of companies working on enterprise-grade versions of Ethereum. While this partnership could be beneficial for Lukso, it is unclear what the practical benefits are at this stage. Lukso price action. The live price of Lukso is $9.364648 per LYXE to US dollar today, with a current market cap of $144.27 million US dollars. 24-hour trading volume is $707,443.51. LYXE to USD price is updated in real time. Lukso is positive 0.6% in the last 24 hours. Will Lukso give you the next 100x returns in the coming bull run? We have to wait and see. That's all for today. Let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and remember, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.